Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit your profile and personal informations on the Stocktwits app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the Stocktwits app, then go to the top left corner for the menu, and in the menu section you just have to tap on the settings icon, which is here. And when you open the settings, you just have to tap on the personal information, which is the first icon. And when you tap on it, here you can set up all the informations for your profile. As you can see, starting with your name, username, assets traded most frequently, you have to choose it from here. Approach to trading, are you technical, fundamental, global, macro, momentum, or growth? Primary holding period, and experience. None, novice, intermediate, or professional. And when you have set up your profile, you can just go back and enjoy using the app. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.